Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password of your GoCardless account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to GoCardless.com and hit on enter right now. Now simply log in. The button's right here. Now what I want to do is change my password. Click on the settings button that you will find at the top right. Again, let's go to the user settings. I'm going to scroll down, and here is the change your password tab. Now simply enter your new password right here, and after everything is okay, click on save changes. Again, it will ensure you to enter your current password right now. This is done for a security measure to ensure that you are changing your password deliberately. Now let's click on submit. And there you have it. Your password has been successfully changed. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.